So, welcome to week 4 of Summer Reading Club, Happy Hour with Heather and Melissa. This week is the theme, There's No Place Like Home. And so we've done some more book selections for you this week. We'll have a book pull later in the video. So what did you bring for us this morning, Melissa?
All right, so with the There's No Place Like Home, I'm thinking about the home and home improvement, things you do to your home, but then also you have to clean your home because, you know, those little animals that you live with tend to get it dirty, unfortunately. So I have here salt, lemon, vinegar, and baking soda. And what I really like about this is that it tells you exactly why each of these things work. So each chapter is one of these items and it explains why it's a good thing for cleaning your home and what are the recipes that you can use to go ahead and combine these things to then be able to clean your home in a green way and not using all of those chemicals and things. So that's the one that I like today.
Awesome. So a great pick from our DIY area. I also found some great things in the catalog this week. One thing we should talk about with There's No Place Like Home is with your title card you also get Ancestry.com upgraded membership. So if you haven't checked that out, you should definitely do that. We have a great local history and genealogy area too, if you want to supplement what you find out in Ancestry.com. And for me, There's No Place Like Home centers on my Venn diagram of a mystery book and a cup of tea. So I brought Agatha Christie's Cat Among Pigeons, which I know is a favorite of both of ours. I also have this fantastic book on barns of the area, which I really love looking at the barns as I drive around. And then I have a couple of great books on tea here. And we're going to be making an Earl Grey latte this morning. And so we'll show you how to make it right now.
Okay. All right. We are going to make our Earl Grey latte. So first of all, we do have brewing in the little thermos here. 2 Earl Grey tea bags, hot water. So this is a double strength. You're going to go ahead and combine your steeped hot Earl Grey tea in the mug. And we're combining that with cream, half and half, milk, whatever you've got. Touch of vanilla. Oh, just a smidge. Probably do a little bit more. And we're going to see if we can garnish with a couple of spoons of lavender. And lavender's edible, so it's okay that it's in your tea. All right, we're going to give this latte a taste. That's really nice. Some of these mornings have been cold, so, you know, a warm beverage is always good. Earl Grey is not always my favorite tea, but the cream really mellows that out, and then the vanilla is really almost a scent more than a flavor sort of thing. So that's really nice and very comforting. So there's no place like home. Alright, hi everybody, welcome to week 4 of our adult summer reading program, and this week is There's No Place Like Home. And so I am again Melissa here at my home, And so the spin that we're taking on this is, so sometimes you have to build the homes for your creatures. Sometimes you have to be doing some work on your own home. So maybe you're making a birdhouse or a doghouse or a chicken coop, but you're going to be building something. And so today's drink is going to be a rusty nail. So stay away from those. Don't need to have to go get a tetanus shot. Our rusty nail beverage recipe is coming from this book here, Classic Cocktails by Salvatore Calabrese. And we're just going to be doing, this is a pretty classic cocktail. Not sure how I'm going to like this, but we're going to give it a shot because the name was good, so it fit with the theme. All right, so we are going to start off. So it is supposed to be Scotch. It can be, Scotch whiskey, obviously, so there are substitutes you can make, and so I'm substituting a rye because that's something that I like better than Scotch. So this is not going to be traditional. Maybe it's not quite a rusty nail. Maybe it's just a slightly damp nail. I don't know. But so we are going to be doing a shot of whiskey of your choice, and that did not pour so well. There we go. Into our old-fashioned glass. And then we are basically doing a half shot of Drambuie. If you've not had Drambuie before, it is also a Scotch whiskey, but it has got herbs, honey, and spices in it. So we are just doing a half shot of that. I'll get that in there. Did a better job pouring that one. All right. And then it says to garnish with a twist of lemon. So I'm just going to get myself a bit of lemon peel here and give that a little bit of a twist. Get some of the oils in there. And that's it. 3 ingredients. You can smell the lemon, which I like, but that's all right. All right, we're going to give it a try. Rusty nail. It's smoky. I didn't make a face. That's not bad. It's a spicy whiskey, basically. There's herbs and spices in the Drambuie in there. You can feel the warm going down. This is going to be like a winter sort of thing, I think would be good. Warm you up from the inside out. I don't hate this. So, a ringing endorsement there. It's not that bad. All right. Well, there we are. This week's cocktail, a rusty nail. So, thanks for joining in. Remember to log those minutes, and we will see you for Happy Hour with Heather and Melissa for next week, week 5. Bye, everybody.